Hi, today me and my nephew we were planning for a ride in this good looking weather, but when I was about to take my bike, I got an sensor alarm of my Ninja bike which showed that the rear tire is flatted. So we investigated and we found a tiny bolt inside my tire. So now I have a puncture repair kit with me, which is of Stop and Go Tubeless Puncture Repair Kit, and we will do this repair, and you can enjoy the video of how to do this puncture repair and how everything works. Stay tuned. This compressor had some issue with the nozzle, so I have pumped in 22 psi on my tire. Now I'll go out and pump in more till 36, and we'll attach the sensor back again, and we'll check if everything is fine. Mostly, if you can see here, this is fully covered. There is no leakage, no nothing. It works properly, but I don't know what happened with this nozzle. This nozzle is coming out, it's not fitting properly now. So maybe I'll do some jugaad later on and we'll make it properly working. Till then